Hello everyone, welcome back. And today we will discuss the anatomy of Anconeus muscle. So the Anconeus is this short triangular muscle that is found in the posterior compartment of forearm. And it is one of the superficial muscles of the posterior or extensor compartment of forearm. And as you can see, this muscle lies just superficial or posterior to the elbow joint. So let's study the important anatomical features of this muscle. So it has got its origin from the posterior aspect of the lateral epicondyle of the humerus, just superior to the attachment site of the common extensor tendon. And then after origin, the fibers of this muscle travel inferomedially to insert onto the posterolateral aspect of the olecranon and proximal end of the body of ulna, as you can see. So now if we study the actions performed by the Anconeus muscle, so the function of this muscle is to assist the triceps brachii muscle in forearm extension at the elbow joint. Now lastly, let's talk about the nerve supply of the Anconeus muscle. So this muscle has got its nerve supply from the radial nerve. The radial nerve innervates the Anconeus muscle through this muscular branch, which arises in the middle of arm and supplies the Anconeus muscle as well as the triceps brachii muscle. While the radial nerve itself arises from the posterior cord of the brachial plexus. And the nerve roots involved in supplying the Anconeus muscle are the anterior rami of 6th, 7th, and 8th cervical spinal nerves. So that's all about the anatomy of Anconeus muscle. If you have any confusion in what we studied about this muscle, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much.